Hey everybody, this is Max here. We're going to be crushing up some ore I got from Jeff Williams' secret gold mine. I got it last weekend with Kris, Jeff, Joanne, and myself. We're down about 200 feet, 250 feet. I don't know, it was way the heck down there. Repelled down there. We happened to see some gold in the wall. Pounded it out. I got about 20 pounds here. We're going to crush it up in my primary and my secondary crusher. I'm going to pan it out with Thomas here. He's down there. Is my super gold mine kitty there. And we're gonna pan it out. I have a shaker table, not set up yet. I'm setting up a gold room in my backyard, so pretty soon we'll have more videos and all more fun stuff. So thank you guys. Watch this process, and I'll post it up soon. Thanks. Oh. Are you ready? Ooh, tasty. Oh no, it won't fit. I need a bigger jaw crusher. Oh yeah. Ooh, this is my favorite piece. It's got a lot of gold in it. Yeah. Tasty. Some small stuff though. I hope I could pan it out. Alright, here goes the good piece. After this, we'll run it maybe a couple more times. We'll run it through this once more, and then through my secondary crusher, get it down to powder. Look at the gold in there. See it? That is nice. I hope I don't screw this up. There's definitely gold in it. Here it goes. We gotta crush it up and then sell it so they can make iPhones in China. Beautiful. Man, all these little pieces are escaping now. I'll sweep them up and run them anyway. Ugh. Could be losing gold. Oh yeah. You know what? I'm gonna classify that. Get the little crap that's already small, so I don't have to rerun it. Yep. Oh, I see gold in it. Cool. All right. Okay. All right, we're gonna fire up this bad boy here. This is a K&M crusher. This was my first crusher before I had the jaw crusher, and she was couldn't keep up with the big stuff. Now I got the jaw crusher, and this one get it down where I need it after crushing with the primary crusher. get loaded up. I was probably getting a little too crazy with her. Like I said, she ain't really a hardcore production. Ain't a hardcore production piece, but better than crushing it old-fashioned way. People modify these things and make them better. Jeff's done that. I ain't got no time for that though. But he gets really darn small here, and I'll classify that run what didn't get crushed. Alright, I don't have this thing modified like some people do, where it cleans out really well, so what we gotta do is scrape her out, paintbrush or something. I'll classify it and run it again. It's supposed to fall through those little holes in there, but she gets plugged. Everybody said I was gonna probably lose some gold with it going everywhere. Coming out of the jaw crusher, we're gonna get every single little piece. Oh, there's some leaves in there too. This thingy, yes.
My cutting board.
This is the girlfriend's cutting board, and she was like, "Hey, you're getting shit everywhere. Why don't we find a funnel?" And the first thing we thought about was going to a construction site and stealing one, but that's not very nice. But so we took this cutting board, taped it up into a funnel. That was all her idea. Thanks, babe.
You're welcome.
Thanks, Anna. The reason I was knocking on it, from using this machine, I noticed it sticks to the sides, the fine particles and the rocks and whatever, and I like to knock it down, and it gets right back in the passage of the chain, and it gets knocked up and crushed even a little bit better. So that's why I knock on it. That was my hammer, the only thing I could find. We'll classify this, see if there's any more big chunks. So I may run it a third time in my secondary crusher, and we'll start panning this out. Classify this. This is a second run of that material, and we're gonna any small pieces, not smaller than I think, what is that? Oh my gosh, 1/16 of an inch. It's gonna get re-ran. So. But we got to run one last time, or maybe another time. That's pretty much the end of the grinding that we're going to be panning out. All right, it's pretty much powder at this point. That's what we're gonna be panning out. Actually, I'm gonna add water to this, and a little trick that Jeff taught you is we're gonna put water in here in a paint stir, and we're just gonna add water, stir it, and any of the heavies are gonna stay in the bucket, and a lot of the clays and the light stuff are just gonna flow out. Then I'm gonna pan that, and that'll help us in the speed up the process of getting to the final product, which is the gold. Yeah, I wish I could get it smaller than that, but it is what it is. Okay, this is our third round of crushing, get it down to powder. We're trying to do that. We're gonna find out what it looks like. It's all right. Good enough for the boys I go mine with. Not bad. That's all the overside that I want to deal with. Let's go find some water. All right, we're gonna turn on the water. We're gonna make that a nice slurry. And we're gonna kick out some of the light material we don't need. So when I pan it out, it's gonna be all the heavies, or 4 heavies. Baking a cake. Yeah, we're left with mostly heavier material. We'll pan that out, and it's a little cleaner too. Okay, here we are, some of the final stuff. So we're gonna pan it out. We put jet dry in there to break the surface tension of the water. Don't want that gold floating away. Probably the best gold's gonna be at the bottom of the bucket. We'll see what this first pan gives us. Look at that. Tasty stuff. These are called Chinese riffles. It helps the gold get trapped before going out the pan. All right, let's bring that back. Let's see what we got. That's all gold. First pan too. This is the stuff from the top. Here. Ooh, see it right there? Ooh, that's some nice wiry gold. Oh yeah, look at that. Nice. Right there. See it all up in there. We're gonna suck that up. All right, this is pan number 2, and it's looking even better than the first. As we get deeper, we're gonna find more gold in that bucket, but it's just all over in there. Oh yeah. Some yummy stuff. Ooh, AU. All right, suck it up. Can't wait to weigh this all out. Jeff's gonna want his bucket back. Number 3. All right, I'll do some more. All right, this is the final pan of, I think 4th pan that I did. And this is the final one. It is pretty yummy. Man, the sun's moved on us, but it's pretty good. Lots of fine gold in this one. Just pretty. Pretty chunky. Just beautiful. Straight out of the rock. So I'm gonna pan this out. Well, I guess I'm gonna dry it out, get anything magnetic out of it, and then weigh it up and see how much we got. So stay tuned. All right, everybody. I repanned the the material that I panned originally, I re-put it in my gold pan and panning it out again. This is like my third one. That sneaky little gold fell out, and it's good to repan, or some guys do safety pan. But since this isn't a tub, I just scraped it up, put it in here, back in the pan, and this is like my third one. I keep finding lots of gold. Either I'm not a very good gold panner, or it's just slippery stuff. So I'll show you what I mean. Especially this really small hard rock gold, it likes to bounce out of your pan back into the tub. But and possibly because I pan it down quite shallow. Some guys hold back, but see, there's all kinds of little stuff still up in here. We'll suck that up right there, and we'll make sure we recover everything, because we want to know how much gold we got. Hey, well, we did about 5 pans, and then I repanned the tub because there was some sneaky little gold that got out, and we came up with quite a bit of gold there. Not bad for 25 pounds. We crushed it, panned it. Thomas helped. He watched. Yeah.
Unimpressed.
Yeah, got that unimpressed cat look. But anyway, you'll be happy once I get him some kitty food from all this. But anyway, I don't know, let's take it out in the sun and check it out. I still got to dry it out, get the magnetite out, but there's quite a bit of flash in the pan there. Oh, get the sun behind us, but quite a bit. Ooh, there we go. But I think we'll melt it down into a little button. So I'm gonna dry it out, get that iron out, and see what we got. Stay tuned. All right, I'm gonna do a different way of going about getting my gold out of my cons. I'm gonna add lead, borax, and soda ash, and flour, which I don't have right now, but I'll go get. We're gonna put it in here. We're gonna melt it down. I'm gonna get an alloy of lead and gold, and I'm gonna put it in my kiln, melt it down. I'm gonna get a little button. We're gonna put that button in this cupel, and we're gonna cupellate or oxidize the lead. Lead's gonna soak into this cupel, and we're gonna get a little bead of gold, and we're gonna find out how much it weighs and how much, I don't know, ounces per ton. Stay tuned, check it out, watch it. Later, bye. All right, we're got it melted down. I got an alloy of lead and gold. We're gonna pour it in a conical mold. We're gonna get a little lead button. After I do that, after it cools down, we're gonna put it in this cupel, and we're gonna get the lead out, and we should have just a nice little bead of gold after we're done. So Jeff just emailed me, and he's like, "Hey, where's my shit? How come you haven't got it done?" So I better hurry up. All right, here we go. Oh yeah. Check that out. Look at the colors. Now, we'll let that cool down. Let's go eat dinner. Here we go. Should have our lead button here. Perfect. Let's see. Get a hammer. Oh, there we go. Watch out, this stuff will cut you. All right, let me get that off of there. Okay, that should get soaked up by the cupel, the lead, and this should be the final process. See if we get some decent gold out of that mine. Hey there, we're back. I think we're done. We're gonna pull out the gold bead and we're gonna weigh it out so we get this info over the death row. This thing's been accumulating for a long time. I think we're gonna call it. Ooh. All right, check it, babe. There's a nice little button in there. Looks pretty goldish. Watch it cool down. It should make a pretty neat little light show. Well, eventually. Ooh, it looks pretty golden. Pair of pliers. Is it still? Oh, there he goes. All right. Tear this bad boy out. Ooh, look at that nice yellow little ball. Nice. Ooh. Yeah, still a little silvery. That's pretty gold. Let's just find out how much it weighs. At 0.7 grams. All right.
We spent all day.
I spent all day.
For 0.7 grams.
Hey, pretty good.